Let me go live. You can profit now. Hmm? Yeah, profit. So I think a lot. Price is coming. So um, let's look at this. So I said AUD/USD, GBP/USD, and gold, they are positively related, meaning that if gold is bullish, GBP/USD is bullish. Gold, I mean, AUD/USD is not going to be bullish, but just that their market movement or market dynamics varies. All right. For instance, now, if gold is, let's say, bullish now, all right, you may see GBP/USD pulling back like this to buy. All right. Then if you go to AUD/USD, you may see it also bullish like this. That's why it is not good that because gold is bullish, you go and buy gold, buy AUD/USD, buy GBP/USD. Don't do it. All right, don't do it. It's not good. Focus on one. All right, focus on one. So what is the bias of GBP/USD? I'll break it down. Remember, your bias must start from the daily time frame. All right, from the daily time frame. Okay, so let's go to the daily. Ordinarily, in our normal way of marking market structure, all right, we will call this a change of character. This, all right, that guy, we'll call it a change of character. So to us now, UBUSD is bearish. All right, so you will expect price to come back to this last candle here. Okay, so most of that will expect you to come here and sell. So they will say UBUSD is now bearish. We are not bearish. All right, time shall tell. So you want to target this low here. All right, that low, and then once price come and hit the TP, you will not expect price to continue, continue the pullback. Coming. So they will not expect it to continue selling, all right? But we are bullish. If price is pulling back, you should know this is a pullback, all right? Let's see the daily time frame. Obviously, now it is clear, all right? It is very clear that GBP/USD is bullish. Why? We have this break of structure here, all right? IJ, I have a signal group. I only had those that pay for mentorship. I have it on WhatsApp. I have it on Telegram. Would you love to join that you two can be taking trips? Would
I
you love
noticed
to
that I was
join?
muted. I said yes, please. I would love to join. But the thing with me is that I don't usually take trades like that. Like I try to analyze it too.
Okay.
Yeah, so
All right
that's
now.
my thing. Yeah. So like I would like to join regardless. So I can be
All
watching
right.
the trade as is going. Yes.
Okay. All right. So now we have this break of structure here. That is a break of structure. And so this low has not been reached. So as such, you are still bullish. You expect price to pull back, all right, take out the liquidity, and then you buy. Now, from the daily time frame perspective, now we can see we have liquidity, trend line liquidity here, resting here on this flow. Somebody is buying from there. Somebody is buying from there. So you expect price to come and take them. But now, where is price? Another thing want to see here is that we have equal lows here that week and then this week to this week there. All right.
Mm-hmm.
So we have this week here. Sorry. We have this week, we have this week, and then we have this week also that forms equal lows. All right. But despite that, we have to make sure that price comes to an area of discount. All right, before
Okay.
we buy. Eh, you
Okay.
don't want to buy from premium. All right, it is risky. Now you can see after price has swept that low, price
Mm-hmm.
start into this guy. There is a fair value gap there, right?
Yes.
Which price start into. Now, our recent break of structure that we have before price pull back was there, right? Our recent break of structure was there on the daily time frame.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. So now there's something I wanted to say again, that whenever price breaks structure to the upside, price will form a range that it will not pass. Right? You can see as a pullback, we broke this structure here. As a break of structure. Price did not pass this to here. Price only pulled back to the upside. Came back, broke another structure. Yes, that high. So
Hello. The network is breaking. Can you hear
now,
me?
yes, yes.
The network was breaking.
All right. So
But I want
now,
to ask a question, please,
yeah,
before
yeah.
we move. But do we
Okay.
take even daily time? Do we take daily time frame as swings too? Because I'm like, why not follow it as it is? Like how it's giving us higher highs and higher lows and breaking structure.
Okay. Um, you can take it as you see here. Time frames are fractal. All right, they are
Mm-hmm.
fractal. What we are saying is that the break of structure you are seeing on the daily, you see the same break of structure you see on the 1 hour, 5 minutes, 30 minutes. It's just the time. All right, you see the same break of structure. Right, but now what will determine the overall bias? Price must take out this high here. You know that we have several break of structure here. The one that we are looking at is this high. Yes, that price broke. So once price break this high now, we can expect that it is bullish. So we can expect a pullback before we buy. Okay.
I get you, but I don't still see how this one is the major high.
Okay. This
Like
one,
I
yeah.
feel like my yes, because I
Okay.
feel like that's my because I'm like, are we supposed to use daily time frame structure as swing too, or we should take it as it
Yes,
is?
you will take it as swings. All right. What's here? What we do on the daily is
Okay,
to know our bias. All right. I've
okay.
told you before. The daily time frame is to know your bias. Now from there now we know that we are bullish. All right. You are bullish. So the daily time frame you can use it for your swings. All right. But we don't trade here on the daily. We don't trade on the daily.
Mm-hmm.
We trade on the 4 hour or 1 hour. All right. But what we do on the daily is to know our bias. So even if on the more time frame we are seeing daily structure, we should be aware that the daily time frame is bullish. That was why that time I told you that if the daily time frame is bullish and then the 4 hour is bearish, it means that the 4 hour is taking a retracement. All right.
Yes.
It's taking a pullback to an area of interest. Now, here now, for this example, now you can see the area of interest that price tapped in was this fair, fair value gap there. All right. Hello.
Yes.
Okay. Do you now do you now understand it?
Yes, I think so. I get it.
Okay. We are looking at the daily time frame bias. All right. If it is bullish, if like for this one now, it is very much bullish, right? If it is bullish, you should be buying if you go to the 4 hour or 1 hour time frame. All right.
Okay.
You can counter trade, though. You can sell down, all right, but it is not advisable because you don't know where price will start buying from.
So
That's why
now,
I don't. uh,
okay, so now well, I'm not supposed to trade this pair for now until it's bullish.
No, for now, this pair is bullish. All right. Let me show you. I was doing analysis now before you started asking questions. We are bullish, all right, because men looking at it now, the the structure change. Look at this, from lower heights and lower lows, all right, and all of a sudden it came and formed a higher low. Low structure form a higher low. So now on the 4 hour, we can expect a pullback. Okay, hello.
The network is breaking. Can you hear me?
Okay. Yes, yes. So let's continue. Now you can see that this was. Hope you can hear me.
Yes, I can hear you.
Okay. You can see that the last time we had a break of structure before price pulled back was there. All right. Yeah. So that means our recent low is here now. This low. Yeah. That is your strong low. Okay.
Okay.
Uh-huh. So the only way you will know that price will not come down here, down to this side, is what you will call change of character. All right. So now here now, you can see that price has given you that change of character here. Okay. Hello. So you see it now.
Mm-hmm.
So that is the change of character. So that means you don't expect price again to come down to that low on the to this low here. Yeah, yeah. You don't expect price to come down here again because price has shifted structure there, telling you that price only use this fair value gap, all right, to buy. Okay, so
Okay.
that means so this level now, this fair value gap can be trusted only if you have a change of character, right? Let me show you some here. Let me show you an example. Okay. Okay. Now here you can see that price came to this block demand the last um bearish candle there. Now below it below it you can see that you still have a value gap here, all right, and then you still have another one here, right? So somebody may be thinking that price will come down here, price will come down here before buying. So by setting your buy limit or whatever they call it here, and expecting price to come there, you will miss out. Why will you miss out? Because price has shifted structure here. So that means price is no longer interested in this zone. Price will only use this as a springboard to buy. Now, where on the daily time frame do we have that shift in market structure? It is very, very obvious here that you can see we have this your lower high, this your lower low, this now your higher high. All right. So the place where we had the shift in market structure or change of character is here. All right.
Mm-hmm.
So this eye was looking out. We have a candle picture above that high. So that is a change of character. Price can only come to sweep liquidity. Trend line liquidity is here. All right. Which price has swept to buy. So if you are waiting for it here and here, you right. So if you are waiting for price now to come down here, you will miss out. Hello, this 2025 now, you will miss out. Hello,
Yes, I'm listening to you, sir.
give me
I'm
that.
right.
Give me that. Abeg, give me that. Okay. So now here, eh? So now here, the reason why I said price will not, pull down here and here for all this area because now somebody is waiting for it to pull down here.
Yes,
This
like
low.
me.
Price will not come there. Wait, I'm not on myself. One, two. Hello.
I can hear you.
Sorry. I want to buy you don't expect price now to pull back here. It's not possible. All right.
Okay.
Because price has changed character. Take note of that. And this is where we have our live break structure. So this low should be protected. Even if price, start coming down, we don't expect price to close below that low. All right. But for now, price has shifted structure. So you can look to buy. All right.
But
Now, okay,
but are we not okay? Okay, so we don't need to use Fibonacci and try to get to discount and premium and all those things.
no, you see, you will use it now. Yeah, let me show you how you use it. You will
Okay.
use it now after you have known your range because this is your range. We are trading between this high and then this low. That is a range. All right. So even if we have this shift in market structure, if the shift in market structure is happening at the premium, I will not buy. Do you understand? I want to buy from this guy. Okay. So take your Fibonacci, measure from that low there, drag it that high there. All right. Now you see that below, you want to buy below that 50% level. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
You want to buy below that low. And you can see that price has entered that zone. Right?
Yes.
Because from this low to that side is discount. All right. Then
Mm-hmm.
from here to that up is premium. So you want to buy from discount. All right. And so this is your discount. All right. That is your discount. All right. Your discount zone, and then this is your premium zone. For me, I don't use it too because I already know that price is at discount or premium. All right. So
I have questions. I have questions.
O- Okay.
Okay, so number one, why are we not doing this Fibonacci from down? Since you said we are taking daily time frame as swing,
Hmm. Down where?
you know the last
Yeah.
higher low that is down. Why are we not doing
O-
the fib
Okay.
from there and expecting price to come to that discount level? Why are we
Okay.
doing it
Now,
from? Mm-hmm.
you will do it from here. From here. That's how you start. Because this was where we had our break of structure. This low is now your daily time frame higher low.
So it's not that swing low anymore, because that's what I was asking. That we taking it as swing? Because for you to put break of structure here, then the last swing low is that one that is down there, right?
This is your recent higher low. All right. Your recent higher high is the highest point that price reached here. All right. Hello.
I, I can hear you, because this is that my confusion now is that if
Okay.
you are using this point as the higher low, then there are places that price has broken structure, because this higher low broke structure and gave a high up here.
Okay.
It
Okay.
came
Yes.
down and broke. No,
Stop
I'm
now.
talking about this place where it broke structure that you put
Yeah.
bill.
Okay.
Yeah, price gave us a high here
Okay.
and came and retraced and gave
Okay.
us a new higher high again inside
Okay.
this structure, retraced
Okay.
and gave us another higher high again. So that's why I'm like, which one are we now going to be using as the strong?
Okay. Okay.
Yes.
Now. All right. Now see here. Tomorrow I'll teach you internal structure. All right. Your problem is you don't understand external structures and internal structures. All right.
Okay.
You don't understand it. Let me show you a glimpse. Is see why you need to be on live session like this. See here, if I have this, all right, and then I now have this here like this. No matter what price does, all right, like this. Provided that that is that is why I'll keep teaching you advanced market structure. All right. If we have a break of structure here,
Mm-hmm.
here now, before price pulls back, then the lowest point of that low is your higher low. You can have multiple, multiple, higher lows and higher highs. All right. But what we are looking at is the low that produced all those internal lows, internal higher lows. All right.
Okay.
So that's what we are looking at. So even if now, yeah, as price at the break of structure, we still have another break of structure like this. We still have another one, just like we saw. What you should be paying attention to is the the higher low that produced all those internal structures. That is your interest. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So now, yeah, now. So now, after this break of structure now, we now we are not playing, between this low and then this high here. So any other thing inside that range is an internal structure. Hello, hello, IJ.
Yes, I'm listening.
Uh-huh. every other thing inside this after this major break construction now. Remember, we have major break construction and we have minor break construction.
Mm-hmm.
I have not taught you that. That's why I will not just wake up and start marking my highs and lows. I won't do it. I know highs and lows very well. But on the daily time frame, what I'm showing you is your high and low. All right.
Yes.
Mhm.
All
So
right.
now, to take note of that because okay. Now let's go back there. If you are saying that, if you are saying that after this break of structure, price form a higher high, form a higher low, right? Broke
Mm-hmm.
another structure again, form this higher high, form a higher low, then came back again, right?
Yes.
So technically, what you are telling me is that the moment price breaks below this low now, you have a change of character.
Yes. That's where I would have put my change of character there.
There is no change of character here. Please, please, IJ, there is no change of character here. All right?
Okay. Yes.
There is no change of character. All those things you are seeing are internal structures that produces liquidity.
Okay.
Please avoid it. Now,
So okay, no problem.
talk now,
I
talk.
understand. I understand your explanation, right?
Okay,
I feel like the only thing is because of how I usually mark it. That's why I was like,
okay.
on daily time frame, we're going to use swings. Like we're using. So that's my only problem is that why is that lower one not the major low?
Okay, like this one here, abi? This one here.
No, no,
Eh?
no. The
This one.
one lower, no, the one lower than like down is not
Okay, this
showing on
one.
the. Yes, this one. Yes. Why is it not the major low? That if you should break it, then we know
The
that.
reason, why I will not take now. See, there is what we call swing. Let me show you something. You can see after this break of structure, this is your swing,
Mm-hmm.
right?
Yes.
So you expect price to come back here, right?
Yes.
Before you buy, isn't it?
And yeah, it does not have to reach that low, but at least to
No,
the
now, no, now.
discount.
That is what you said now. That price should go back.
No, no, like
Okay.
I said that why shouldn't this low be the major low that if price breaks here, then it's the change of character. That's
No,
what
no,
I
no,
was
no, no,
saying.
no. Listen. This low here, eh?
Mm-hmm.
This low is our low, our major low. All right. This low is our major low. All right.
Okay.
But now, why am I taking this one as our strong low? That is
Mm-hmm.
the question you should be asking me. Okay,
Yes,
listen.
that's what I said.
Okay, now pay attention. Pay attention. All right. We have major low and we have strong low. They are not the same. Even if
Okay.
price, even if price pulls back, you are still bullish. All right. Now, this major low is the low that if price closes below, it has changed the bias on the daily time frame perspective. All right.
Okay.
Now, this strong low here, I call it strong low. That does not mean price cannot violate it. Oh. Even if price violates it, you are still bullish. Price is coming down to this last low. Let's say we have our demand here. All right. All right.
Mm-hmm.
So now, why is why is this low strong low? It is called now. A low is said to be strong. Write it down. Write it down. Take your book and pen.
Yeah, I'm writing.
A low is said to be strong. if there is a change of character. A low is said to be strong if there is a change of character
Mm-hmm.
on the daily time frame. Oh, okay.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
So now, the reason why you asked me a question that why didn't I use my Fibonacci, right?
Yes, from there.
From this low to that
Yes.
high, right? Is
Yes.
because is because price has you see this forex of a thing we don't decide where price will go to. You don't decide it. You can only decide how you take the trade. You can't decide how price moves. All right, you don't control the market. It is only people that know how to control the market that can determine where price can go. We can only foresee that price is bullish, but we don't know exactly where price is going to. We only react to what price is given to us. All right. So now,
Okay.
yes, take note of that. This low is called a strong low because already I've told you price has what? Price has what? Shifted structure. Yeah.
Yes.
So that means price now is telling me that I am no more interested in going down. So since I'm not interested, take this low here as your strong low. Then take this down low as your major low. Okay?
Okay.
Take note of that. So that is why I said I'm not taking my Fibonacci and putting it from here. I will not do that. All right. So that's why I said that price is bullish. But now, how do we enter this trade like this? Take note again. Take note that it is bullish. You can see that
Okay.
we have this change of character, price pull back. Let's go to the 4 hour time frame. Remember that I said it is bullish.
Yes.
All right, it is bullish. Now
Yeah.
this is the 4 hour time frame. Where do we have that change of okay? This was where now you see that even on the 4 hour time frame, you have another change of character again. Yeah, that high, that is a recent lower high, which price has taken over. All right.
Yes.
So on this one now is the 4 hour change of character. So after a change of character, what do you expect? A pullback to take the liquidity. All right. And if you look
Mm-hmm.
at it, we have trend line liquidity here. Very, very nicely. Yeah, resting here. All right.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. We also have relative equal lows. We have this week here. All right.
Mm-hmm.
This week and then this week, they are relative equal lows, which price has swept. Okay. So
Yes.
on the so take me so on the 4 hour time frame now, if you see this, you should know that you are going bullish. You just mark your last candle there, price tap, you are in the trade. There is no change of character. If I'm going by what you are saying now, all right. If I am going by what you are saying,
Mm-hmm.
then I should be selling this pair because from what you are saying, that's why you need to unlearn and relearn. All right. This
Mm-hmm.
is your recent higher low, right? You have that price pull back, right? And then push up
Yeah.
again, breaking structure. Price broke this structure there. So that means you will not call this a change of character, right?
No.
Eh?
No, I only use daily time frame for major break. Like anything that happens in 4 hours, 1 hour is not is internal structure. That's how I've always seen it. It's only daily time frame that can give me change of character, that can give me BOS. But 4 hour is internal, is not major.
See, even on the 4 hour time frame, you can still have your change of character. One thing is bias. Bias is very important. Like from the daily now, we are very much bullish. So if you come to the 4 hour now and you start seeing change of character, then that is liquidity. All right,
Mm-hmm.
that is liquidity. So now on the 4 hour time frame now, you want to look for your recent break of structure. I know
Yeah.
now most persons will be expecting the USD to retrace before buying, or it may not come there because
Okay.
it may not come there because this was why we had our break of structure, our recent break of structure here. Okay,
That gave us that high.
yes. So this was why we had our recent break of structure. So now, should I jump and start buying? No. Price is at premium. All right. Price is at premium. You take your Fibonacci measure from that low there to that high. All right. You can see that price is at premium. Okay. So if I'm buying now, if I'm buying from here, all right, from this side, that means my stop loss should be below this low. All right.
Mm-hmm.
And it is not a very good thing to do. Okay. So you can see that GPS is telling you that you should wait, right?
Yes.
So wait for it. Take note that the way I mark out my demand is not the way most traders mark it. I look out for fair value gap. All right, because most traders, if you want to mark out this candle here, this last bearish candle as their demand,
Demand. Yes.
I will not do that. All right, because I have a fair value gap here. All right, there is a fair value gap here. So the last candle before that value that was formed, that is my demand.
Okay.
That is my demand. So that when price comes back here because of that fair value gap, it can mitigate that fair value gap, mitigate my order, and then buy. Okay,
Okay.
take note of that.
So
So
yeah, wait, sorry, I want to ask something. So
ask
we're
me.
going to have to wait for it to get to this.
Yes, yes, yes. You have to wait.
But what of this other side? The pullback was not that deep. This
Yeah, I
last
mean,
one.
yeah. Now,
Yes.
now, see, understand the ranges. I've not taught you that, so I will not go
So when
into
are you
that.
going to start teaching me? Because now you are going straight to analyzing the market. That's why I'm having so many questions. Do you get? Because
Okay.
you've not taught me all those things. So I
We
still
just
see market in a different way.
okay. See, whenever price breaks structure, eh,
Okay.
whenever price breaks structure, it forms a range. All right. So after price breaks this structure, then it has
Mm-hmm.
you are now trading between this low, all right, and the high before when price will go back like this.
Okay.
So you are not trading between that low and the higher side there. That is your range. All right.
Mm-hmm.
Then in a downtrend too, if you have price breaking structure like this and then you know, pulling back, your range is that high, and then this is your low. So that is your range. If you don't understand your dealing range, you keep on waiting for price to pull back, and you will not be seeing price pulling back properly.
Yes.
So take note
Okay.
of that. So take note
Okay.
of that.
So explain. So please help me to explain that corner now. So it's a range. That's why price retrace deep.
Yeah, right.
Yes. After the
Now
years.
after the change of character, all
Mm-hmm.
right, you should expect a pullback. It is only break or structure. So after the change of character now, you can see that this is our low here,
Yes.
and then this is our high. That high is our high.
Yes.
It's our high. So we expect price now to pull back deeper before we pull buy it, right?
Yes.
Unfortunately, price did not do that. So that means price is telling you that it is done with that range. It is done with that. Okay. So now your new range is now between. Let me take this up. Your new range is now between this high here and then this low.
So you're telling me that price can just be done with a side.
Yes, now up there, this market is controlled by market makers. All right. Whenever price pull back and then break structure, price is no longer interested in this zone again. And take note again, well, tomorrow I'll teach you that's what we call efficient price action and inefficient.
Yes, that's what I wanted to say.
So
That the
take note
only
of that.
reason why I feel market is no longer interested because there is no fair value gap. There is
No,
no
no, no,
so
no,
there
no,
is
no,
no
no, no,
every
no. Listen,
okay.
listen. Even if there is a fair value gap here, all right, and I see a break of structure. See, if you know what it takes for price to break structure, all right, before
Mm-hmm.
price breaks, before price breaks structure, a lot of others, have been taken. All right, a lot of
Okay.
a lot of decisions have been taken. So even if the range is very small, all right, provided it is on the 4 hour time frame, I will respect that range. All right,
Mm-hmm.
take note of that. So now, yeah, GPU you tell me to wait for the pullback before you buy.
Hmm.
Okay.
Okay.
So take note of that. Ask your question again.
So what if it does not now come that deep, the retracement, and
Okay.
it now changes character? What are we going to do?
Okay. Yeah. If price,
Uh-huh.
let's say price comes here now, for instance, yeah, right, and then changes character like this, right?
Yes.
This zone is premium zone. Take note of that. That zone is a premium zone. You don't want to buy from premium. So that means that change of character is a inducement and liquidity. Hello,
Wow.
take note of that. It's not if the change of character will be valid if it occurs on the discount zone. Okay,
Okay.
take note of that. So even if I see it here, I'm going to be skeptical. Even if I will take it, I should be able to risk what I can let go because price can let you go. I hear what I'm saying. Price can take
Yes.
your take note of that. So this market is not something that you can determine the movement at any point in time. It's only big market makers. So what we do, we are only following their bias. Alright, but buying from here, see here, take note there. Hello, please. IJ,
Yes, sir. I'm
let
listening.
me let me advise you. Mhm.
Uh-huh.
Let me advise you. Your your entry point should be in such a way that your stop loss is below that range. Because if I have, if my father, for instance, if my father is the king of Dubai, for instance, now, all right, so that means I should have enough money, all right,
To put your
so
stop loss down
down
there.
here, yes,
Hmm.
yes, all right. Although me, I've seen traders who they do it and then maybe they'll target 1 to 1, 1 to 1 is to reward ratio. But for me that don't have much money, I'll expect even if it is here that price will come to, yeah,
Mm-hmm.
even if price will come to here, I'll be glad to buy so that I know that my stop loss will be below that range like this. I am okay. So even if price comes deeper, I know that price can we still buy just a matter of time. So I will hold my position. So your entry should be determined by where your stop loss is kept. So if you IJ has the money, you
Mm-hmm.
can start buying from you buy you put your stop loss there. You can reach $10,000 to get any amount you want. For me, I will wait for it to pull back. All right.
Yeah.
So take note of that.
So your entry point is going to be at your own demand level.
Yes. If price does not come to where I want, all right, that means I should not take that risk. Okay. Hello.
I didn't get that, please. If price what?
If price does not come to my area where I want it to come to, I should
Okay.
not take that risk. Because I want to risk what I can lose.
Okay.
Hello.
Yes, I can hear. So now you are not going to take this trade until it reaches that your point
It
of interest.
yes, yes.
So you can't
It
counter trade like this. You can't sell.
you can counter trade, all right. You can counter trade, but what is the chance that price will pull back before buying? That is the question you got to take because price can just from take note of that. Price can just start buying from here, all right, and start pushing. It's like this. You will lose money. So before you take any counter trend trade, you must ask yourself: the pro trend is bullish, the counter
Mm-hmm.
trend is bearish. So if you are counter trading and price reverses, you should take a lot. All right, you should take that lot. So if you want to counter trade, which I will not advise you to do, all right, stick with the trend. All right. See, for now, stick with the trend. Forget about counter trend. All right. Yes,
Okay.
yes. See, people counter trade when they are not that patient enough to allow price pull back to their point of interest. Okay. So as you are waiting for GBUSD, you can be trading other assets.
Okay. So I want to ask a question now.
Okay.
You said that if price should now maybe start buying. Do you get? Maybe it does not retrace deep here and just start buying and it breaks character. That is an
Mm.
inducement. That's what you
Yes,
said.
yes.
So you're saying that if price to break structure now, and then you are trying to say that it's going to still come back to this level before going. Is that what you are going to say?
What I'm saying is that you said that you would love to counter trade. All right. I told you
Mm-hmm.
that it's possible to counter trade down. But what is the probability that price will come here? Because this market is not certain. This market is based on probability.
Yes.
All right. Take note of that.
Mm-hmm.
So price may not even come here. Price can just enter that zone a little and then pump up. So now if price pumps up and breaks this structure now, all right,
Mm-hmm.
my new range is now this. But now because I have now take note that you must look out for liquidity because now what I'm seeing here is I'm seeing trend line liquidity here forming. Yeah, all right. So even if I have a break of structure here now, for instance, I have this. I have price coming and this. I have price coming and this. If I have price doing this here now, for instance now break this structure like this, all right,
Mm-hmm.
I will not buy. I will wait for price to come here because take note, I've said it before that price cannot just pull back to your point of interest like this and buy. It's not possible. Price will form liquidity. Price can come down here and form equal lows here and start forming trend line liquidity like this before price will come back and sweep up and then buy. So that's why you want to know you should determine where price should come to. For now, we have determined that this is where we want to buy from. So any other buying setup that we are seeing are not real. Okay.
Okay.
What you
Noted.
want, what you want is for price to pull back. That is all you are looking for. So why would you want to buy? Because you may buy from an area of inducement. You may fall that trap now and then you see that you will lose money. So this is where I want to buy from. So any other thing I'm seeing, I am not interested. On
Okay.
the on the 1 hour time frame now. On the 1 hour time frame now, you can see that price is here. All right. This is where price is. So all we are waiting for on GPUSD is to pull back, all right, before
Mm-hmm.
we buy on the 1 hour time frame. So you want to wait. You can only do three things in the market. You can buy, you can sell, or you can wait. So for now, you
Okay.
are in your waiting time. All right. You want to wait. Now, take note that GBUSD is pulling back. All right. Let's look at gold. Look at gold now. Hello.
Yes, I'm here.
Now, yeah. Look at gold now carefully. We have seen that GBP has a long bearish movement. If that is possible. Now, yeah, men looking at this chart, somebody will say that gold is bearish. Gold is also bullish. All right. You can
Mm-hmm.
see the same thing we saw on GBUSD. This our break of structure here. All
Mm-hmm.
right. That is our low. We have this liquidity here, this trend line liquidity here, all right, which price came to sweep, all right. After
Yeah.
price has swept it, price now change character here. That is a change of character. That high was
Mm-hmm.
taken out. So the same thing we saw on GBUSD is what happening. But just that this one now, price is ready to push. But GBUSD price is not yet ready. Okay.
Yes.
So
I,
price is not yet ready on GBUSD. But on gold, price is ready to push. All right. Price is ready to push. Because why? You can see after the change of character here, price pull back, all right, to take out
mm-hmm.
equal lows there, which are marked out here, all right. You can see very well.
Mm-hmm.
Pull back to take it out, tap into this the demand here, all right,
Yes.
and then push up again. And now you can see that we are having series of break of structure here. This is also a break of structure there, all right. So what gold is doing now actually is to take
Mm-hmm.
out liquidity. All right, that's what gold is doing. Anybody that is going to sell gold, this drop now, this bearish drop was due to news yesterday. I mean on Friday.
Okay.
We are having series of reconstruction here. Hello,
I can hear you.
hello, hello, IJ.
Can you hear me? I can hear you. Can you hear me?
Hello, IJ.
Can you hear me?
Can you hear me?
I can hear you. Can you hear me?
Yes, yes. So now, all right, this drop was this bearish drop here
Mm-hmm.
was due to news on Friday. That does not change the fact that it is bullish. All right,
Okay.
bullish. I've told you guys before. Gold is targeting this high here.
So if I want to enter this trade, where will I be looking at now?
Okay, if you want to enter this trade, all right,
Yes.
your stop loss. I'm actually on this trade on my on the next account. All right, I'm on the
Okay.
buy. Take note of that. I think I have to show you. Let me show you. Let me show you.
Okay.
There is a competition that is ongoing. I'm actually on it. So
How is it
yes,
going?
is that what?
I said, how is it going?
Very well. I think even if you register now, because I will show you now,
Okay.
so that you can have you know you can have an account to trade with. So let me show you. Let me show you. This trade, my target is for gold to come up to this side. Let me show you from the power time frame. So I want gold now to come to this high here. All right, this high. So that high, that is
I
my
can't
target.
see. Can you hear me?
Yes, yes.
I can't see it. Your screen is not moving.
Okay. Let me check it again.
Okay, I can see your screen now.
Okay. So I want gold now to come up to this eye. Yeah. This eye here. All right.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
So now, so let me show you the trade on Sunday next. Let me show you the trade. Let me show you. My target for that trade. Hello.
Yes, I can hear you.
I don't know other. My target for this pair, this gold trade you are saying, I actually took
Mm-hmm.
two. I actually took three positions. All right. One of
Okay.
them, one of them. Okay, two of them will give me $36,000. That's $18,000. All right.
Okay.
Then one of them will give me around is it 19K also. So the total amount of money I want to make around 50 something thousand dollars. But now this will hold it till this more ending.
Eh.
Yes, it's a monthly trade. You swing it for 30 days. Whatever profit you make, or if you can make around $25,000, they will give you around 5K account free. You trade and pass it, and then if you fund you get payout. All right. So
Oh.
I
Okay.
don't know.
So this one now, is it that they are going to fund you? They are going to give you your share from this one.
No, no, no. This one now is a competition account. All right.
Okay.
They have, okay. Let me show you now. They have a lot of people that are
They are on
actually,
it.
yes. So go ahead and register. All right. Let me show you.
How will I register? I don't have the skills yet to. I
No, no, no.
don't have.
Just listen. Just register. Let, let me show you so that
Okay.
by by next year, by next year January. All right.
Mm-hmm.
Provided I'm still mentoring, I'll pick up trade that are going to move for 30 days. All right.
Okay.
So just if you can go to your Chrome, 500 next. Just click any of them. Okay, I'm coming. Let me open it. So if you open it now, you will see this. All right.
Mm-hmm.
You will see this. After you have created an account, just you click on login.
Okay.
My password is already there. All right. So you log in. They want you to put your two-factor authentication. So you just put it there. So mine is 000508. All right. Once you put it, you just log in.
Okay.
Once you log in now, you see competition here. So
Okay.
you click on it. So you click on competition. Right now, here. There you see it now. Now,
No, I
so
can't
now you
see
see
it.
that. Let me get it. Check it again. Check it again.
Yes, I can see your screen.
So now you can see that January competition is upcoming, which is for next year. Hello.
Yeah, so I can't join this month again.
No, no, no. You can now you can register for January. You can see we have 39,000 people that have
Yes.
um, registered. So now for November, eh, for November, you can see that it is finished. One of my students also, you know, contested, and they I think it's around the 39th person. They gave him around 10K account because
Okay.
his total profit was around $90,000. All right.
Oh, okay.
So let me show you his name. His name is Uwa. This is it. Uwa. You see there now.
Yes.
They gave him a start like two-step account of $10,000. So that means you pass phase one, phase two before they fund it. All right.
Yes.
I think let's check. Let's just check. Let's see how much you can make before they give you 10K. Okay. Let's see because we have a lot of 10K here. I think the 10K stopped at 21st.
Yeah, 20th. So first,
Okay.
yeah. So from 21st.
Okay. So for him, what he made was around 90K. So you should do that now. You register after the class. All right. Once you just create account, click on competition. They'll bring you here. Just just click on enroll. There is this in there. Enroll button down there. I think if you click on this now for the competition, now you can see the first person will give you $5,000 in cash, and then they'll give you a 100K account to trade. For second person, they'll give you $2,000 and then 100K and all that. All right. So it's as simple as take note of that. So that is that. All right. That is that. Why is this not connected?
Okay.
So I'm going to hold this my trade till 30th or whatever, and then I will show you what I
So
make. All right.
are you going to take more trades on the account?
They have a maximum trade, but remember, since this competition, this trade is a competition account, you cannot be using small lot sizes. All right, you can't use 0.05. So that's accelerated so that by next year I'll look for a very nice setup for us to take. All right.
Mm-hmm.
So that we can hold it for 1 month. For that one now you have to use 5.0, 4.5 lot size. All right.
Okay.
So that is it. Maybe after the class you can go ahead and do that. Okay.
Okay. All right. So as we were saying for this gold, that is now
Mm.
bullish.
Mm.
That it has always been bullish, right? So
Yes, yes. Ask now.
I'm
Ask
saying
your.
that where if I wanted to enter this trade, where can I enter now? That what
Okay.
because I feel like that's one of my problems too. If I come to a chart now, what am I supposed to how am I supposed to enter this trade?
Okay. I've always told you
Mm-hmm.
that break of structure gives you your range.
Yes.
You can see after the change of character, we have a range here. This low and this high is your range for now. Now price has
Mm-hmm.
broken this structure. Okay, so now your new range is now between this
Yeah.
red line
Yeah.
and this high. Okay, so
Yeah.
even if you are taking your trade there, there is no problem. But your stop loss must be below. I've told you that before. Maybe below that low. All right.
Yeah.
You can target. I think that is the high. That high there. That is where price gold is going to. So if I'm buying this thing now, I am very
Mm-hmm.
very correct. If I buy gold now, I am very very correct. All right. I will just reach what I can let go, and then I will allow price to play out. All right. I will allow price to play out. Okay.
Okay.
So gold is bullish. I don't know why this doesn't want to. Let me reload again. So now you see that buying gold from here is also nice. Okay. Hello.
Yeah, I can hear you.
Buying gold from here is also nice. But your stop loss must be below that low there. And then you target that high that I showed you that time. All right. So that is gold. Now, Euro USD. Hmm,
Mm-hmm.
is still the same thing that you see. So you see that the structure of Euro USD and that of gold, they are very, very similar.
Okay.
So these two are actually two people.
So it's still running on
Yes,
an
yes.
account.
Yeah,
Okay.
still on it. I'm targeting this right here. So um, that there's no there's no much for me to talk. All right, they are all the same. Just that this one now, let me take this one. This one now is also bullish because we have a break of structure here. All right.
Please, can you hear me?
Yes.
Please, can you go to the daily time frame and do the analysis? What so that I'll see how this place was your demand. Like I want to know how you entered this trade.
Okay. Now this is here. This is your daily time frame bias. All right.
The screen is frozen.
All right. Hope is now clear.
Can you hear me? Your screen is frozen. Maybe you refresh.
Check it again. Check it again.
Yes, I can see it. Sir.
So on this pen now,
Mm-hmm. So it's on the daily. Yes. So it's bullish. Yes, on the daily.
yes, it's bullish. All right. This was where we had our break of structure there. All right.
Yes.
That's what. So that means this is our low, our range now. Now you see that for this pen now, remember that USD is pulling back. right?
Yes.
For this pair has pulled back already to continue the trend. All right.
To continue
So
going bullish.
yes, to continue going bullish. So now you can see that assuming now because you know that the three of them are bullish, the three of them moves at the same pace. If you buy this pair, buy GBUSD, buy gold, you may be in a loss in GBUSD. All right.
Why?
Yes, because GBUSD is pulling back.
Okay, yes, yes, that's true.
So that's why you don't want to just start buying them because they are moving, you know, in the same direction. You want to know what they are doing per time. This guy now has pulled back to continue the trend. GBUSD is saying that it wants to pull back. So they are not the same thing. Okay.
Okay.
So now, yeah, you can see that this guy pulled back to this swap value gap, just as uh, GBUSD pulled back. All right,
Mm-hmm.
all right. So now, I told you that price has traded into discount. So buying is very very valid. All right.
Yeah.
Now you can see again that there is a change of character there. Okay. Hello.
I can't see where you've marked the change of character.
Let me make it
Is
clear.
it when Price gave us a break of structure?
Yeah, that thick
To the
line.
I think your screen is frozen again.
Look at it again.
Yes, I can see it now.
So this eye was taken out.
Yes, I can see it.
This eye was taken out. So that's why you have a change of character. All right.
Okay. Yes.
So that means this guy is very bullish. Yeah. So that means we can target this eye. So now, from a daily time frame perspective, now we have liquidity to rest in here.
Yes.
Which will be a contraction of price, right? And again, you can see that we have trend line liquidity here, which price has swept,
Yes.
right? Trend line liquidity is there, which price has swept. So now we also have relative equal load. You can see there,
Okay.
all right? We have that load, relative equal load, which price has swept. Okay,
Okay.
so that means price is now ready to buy. If you are patient enough, you can target this
So I'm
buy here.
supposed to, but I'm supposed to still wait for a pullback now.
Um, yes, you're supposed to able to pull back. What I'm saying is that
because it has broken structure.
okay, let's move to the 4 hour time frame and see what's going on.
Okay.
Now, this is your 4 hour time frame.
Mm-hmm.
You can see that our last break of structure to the upside. You can see as we are coming this way, we are forming ranges.
Mm-hmm.
We are forming ranges like this.
Mm-hmm.
So I'm expecting this to this. All right. So you may expect a pullback, all right, before you buy, all right. But just that you can see very well again. The price pull back and fill up this fair value gap.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, I've seen it.
So and taking my fib now, if I measure from here to that high, you can see that price is still at premium, right?
Okay.
Price
Another
is still at
question. Why is your fee from 61%, not 50?
I made it that way
Okay.
because I have my center on here. So for me, um, this pair is at premium. I don't want to sell from, buy from premium, so I will expect it to pull back a little before I buy. Okay, okay.
Okay.
So we have this uh, demand here. So this week here may be an inducement to entice traders to buy.
To buy.
That is an inducement. So
Okay.
for me, I'll wait for price to come deeper because remember I told you that it's where you keep your stop loss that matters. All right.
Yes.
If you want to buy from here now, your stop loss must be below that low. Okay. So if you want to buy from here, you must keep your SL down here. But if you don't want that, set your buy limit somewhere here. Put your stop loss here, and you're okay.
So, question, please.
All right.
So now we're going to be looking at this from 4 hour time frame because on 1 hour on daily, it seems like it's supposed to be a long pullback,
Okay.
right? Than what is on 4 hour. I don't know how to explain what I mean.
No, I
But
know.
can you see the low of this, yeah, the 1 hour low to that swing high?
Here we are looking at when you check the daily for your bias.
Mm-hmm.
But I'm not supposed to do analysis on the daily time frame. The reason why I'm doing is for you to understand it. The daily, we just use our eye to look at it to know the bias. All right. The 4 hour, you're looking for the recent break of structure. That is your range. All right.
Okay, let me write that down.
You are looking for your recent break of structure on the 4 hour time frame. You don't expect price to fall down. No, no, no. Because now I know that you are expecting price now, right, to fall down, isn't it?
Yes, that's how I'll
And
be
then
looking at the market.
no,
That's
price,
supposed
price,
to fall down.
no. Now for instance now, assuming you came here now, you met the chart here, all right, all right.
Mm-hmm.
You have that break, so that means this is your range. This low here, you can see price pull back and then push up again. Let's say you came the next day and you met price there after you had that break of structure then, all right.
Mm-hmm.
Your range is this low to this high, all right. Is this
Yeah.
low to this side. That is your range. You are not looking at any other thing again, okay? Stop
Okay.
com- stop looking at all the structure. Look at the major structure, the current break of structure. So from the 1 hour time frame now, all right. Now here you can see the last candle I had is here because I have a fair value gap. Here, okay. Uh, There is an imbalance there, all right. Here.
Okay.
And so that is where you want to look for the on the 4 hour. When you have marked your when you know your bias from the daily time frame perspective, the 4 hour is now where you come and mark your structures and do your trend line liquidity and all that. But I'm doing the daily to tell you that you can do analysis from there, but don't allow that this thing to confuse you. All right?
Okay. Mm-hmm.
Because as you go down the time frame, this your zone is going to expand. Okay.
So now from this low to this high, that's going to be our trading range, right?
Yes.
So whatever is going on now as is bearish, this is the internal structure.
Yes.
Okay.
We also have that relative follow there. You can see. So now you can expect this guy to pull back a little. Then, but if this guy does not pull back, which I which I don't even think it will pull back because I'm seeing something here. If I go to the 30 minutes, right, you can see the price came to react from. There is a fair value gap there, a tiny one. All right,
Mm-hmm.
a tiny one there, which price has mitigated, and you can see how price respected that zone there. All right.
Yes.
Mhm. So taking your fib like if you measure from here to that high, you can see that price did not even enter our discount zone.
Mm-hmm.
All right. Yeah. So
Yes.
so now this is where you want to wait. If price change character from the premium zone, like I said, you cannot control market. Market can reverse from anywhere. That's why you want to have your own rules. If price does not pull back to your area of discount, don't take it.
Okay.
That is a rule. Don't take it. Leave it. Come back the next day. Okay.
Yes.
So because if take note that your stop loss is very very important. If you are taking this trade here, then make sure that if you're taking this trade here now, make sure that your stop loss is down here. Yes. All right. But if you know that you can't keep your stop loss there, then leave it and look for another asset. Price can from here push you. All right. That is not your issue. Look for there are so many pairs. All right. And target one to two, 1 to 3. Is do you now understand it?
Yes.
Okay.
I
Ask your
understand.
ask your question.
Please, can you go to 4 hour for me? I
Okay.
saw something there earlier.
Okay.
Then, okay. This low that is your recent, this one that you marked at the swing low,
Mm.
it was looking like this low, this other low is giving equal low, or is it just me? Is it equal?
Okay. Now, one thing you need to you see there are things that confuses people. All right.
Mm,
You have a you see you have a lot of things to ask. Now, if this low is equal low, eh, all right. If if you have equal low like this, which is now your range.
your screen is frozen.
Okay.
Okay.
Whenever price breaks structure, eh,
Mm-hmm.
on the 4 hour, you must have a range. If there's an equal low there and price is a premium, that should tell you that you should not sell. You should wait for price to come back. Because price can come back and take out that low before buying.
Yes.
So that's why you have to do it. Okay.
But do you understand the load I'm talking about?
Yes, I know now. This is it here now, right?
Yes.
That's what I'm saying
Yes.
that be- because we have relative equal load there,
Mm-hmm.
price can come back, keep it before buying, or even probably tap into that fair value gap and buy.
Yes, into the fair value gap.
So that is why you have to wait. You have to wait.
Now,
All right.
wow.
You
All
have
this
to wait.
wait that we have to be waiting.
You have to wait. All right? You have to wait for price to come there. There are pairs that will give you. Take note. You don't trade every day in the market. The market does not give you opportunity every day. All right.
Yes.
So I sent out a trade to my group. All right. This trade on USD JPY. Okay.
Okay. Let me see your bias.
I sent this setup in my community. I sent it to
Don't forget to add me. Oh, you've not added me.
when you okay. Okay. This is it. All right. This
Mm-hmm.
is the trade. You can see that this is actually the 4 hour. All right. You
Mm-hmm.
can see that This is our recent break of structure here. I,
Yes.
I mark out my low. Now you can see that these lows have equal lows
Yes.
here, but I kept my stop loss just below it
You do it. Okay.
because this trading is a game of probability.
Yes.
Price may not even come there and start. Not every equal low the price sweep. All right, not everyone.
Okay.
It's all about your risk management. Okay, so after price pick out this trend line liquidity, we also have other liquidity here, trend line liquidity. We now have relative equal lows. Whose price swept? I was actually waiting for price to come and sweep it. Which price did? All right, so I sent it out to them. I said buy USDT right now. All right, so I showed them the trade outcome here. All right, see it
Mm-hmm.
now. I showed them the trade outcome that price is pushing, and then this is it here now. You can see. So why did I take it on the daily time frame? Now you see that if this if you are the one that want to take this trade now, you will not be expecting price to come down here, abi? Right? Hello,
Yes.
before you buy, don't do that again. You need setup. Mark your on the daily time frame. Just know where price going to. We are bullish. Mark out your break of structure. All right. That is all you need to know. Your current break of structure. Once you mark it now, mark out that low. Go to your 4 hour time frame. That load that you mark, you will see it obviously on the 4 hour time frame. Like this.
Mm-hmm.
Mark out this your low. Yeah. Draw your demand. Wait for price to tap you. Now, after you mark out your low, you want to mark out all your liquidity present around that within that range. All right. The liquidity
Okay.
present within that range, not outside that way. Because if I want to actually mark, I'll mark from here down, right? Right?
Oh, yes.
No, no. You want to mark out your current the liquidity in that your range that you mark, that position you mark on the daily time frame. Put your mark your equal lows, mark your equal highs, find them. You have to use your eyes to find them, all right? And then price tap just came down, tap was very nicely. All right, you can see they have relative equal lows, which price swept. All right, price swept it, tap into our demand, and then we can expect a bullish run. And you can see this is 1 to 3 risk to reward ratio. We took this trade on, I think on Friday. Let me check. Market closed. All right, market closed. Let's check. Let's check. I don't know when. Okay, 8th of December. Okay, not here. 5th of December. All right. Hello,
Yes, sir.
which is
That's on
on
Friday.
yes on Friday. So it is on Friday. Market closed that day. All right. I told my community people to hold their position. So today na being Monday, price just shut up. All right. So if the market closes bullish, all right, on Friday, most
Mm-hmm.
people most people are going to be scared that if price open again on Sunday, which is maybe around 12, which is on Monday, price will go bearish, right? It's a lie. It's a lie. If price closes bullish, it will continue bullish. All right,
Yes.
and vice versa.
Yes.
Then
Okay.
I also sent it to my WhatsApp group. That one is a paid group. This Telegram is also a paid group. All right, for people that I am mentoring. Okay, so let me show you. My current signals. Okay, that is it there. All right.
Mm-hmm.
Now you see, I also sent this trade on Euro AED. I'll break them down before I go to synthetics. You can see now. I told them keep holding this pair. You can see. Then
Yes.
they gave me because we were actually in a loss. All right, we were actually in a loss. You see, this this market that you're saying. I think let me flip this stuff.
You are in a loss in on Euro AUD.
I know. This market, if you are not very patient enough, you will not make money. Okay, you will not make money. So that is for BIJPY. Then Euro AUD. This pair, hello.
You are frozen again. The screen.
Okay, I'm coming. Um, check it now.
Okay.
I've talked for 1 hour, 41 minutes, 50 seconds. 50 seconds. Hmm. That is a whole lot of talk. Oh.
You like teaching now. That's good.
Ah.
Yes. It looks like you like teaching.
Yes, yes.
Even when you were teaching us, I said, you must really enjoy teaching.
Okay. So now this is Euro
Yeah,
AUD.
you do. So why were you in a loss?
It was because price actually went down a little bit. All right. We entered from here because I told them to enter from this 1.75 something because I saw a equal low there so that price can tap us. Well, I don't
Okay.
want price to just start buying. So we actually in you know in a loss for a while. So now hope you know that this pair is bullish. By now you should know.
Hmm.
Yeah?
Yes.
Are you sure? Look at it again though.
Why
Because
I'm saying
from
so, because I just saw the full chart now. To the left, like
okay.
to the left, I just saw the swing low down there and
That
the
is why
swing high.
that is why you know that on Facebook
Mm-hmm.
hello
Yeah.
on Facebook they'll be doing some kind things. They will say what is the bias? They'll give you 5 seconds to decide. Have you seen it before?
No, yes, I've seen it before.
They will say you have 5 seconds to tell us the bias and all that. All right,
Mm-hmm.
don't follow them. All those people, they'll what they do is they'll take away some parts. I don't want that. I want to see the full details. All right.
Yes.
Now, obviously, you know that we are bullish. All right.
Yes.
See, if you don't understand market structure, I swear you quit. You quit this trading. You can
Yeah,
see that
yes, I know.
we have this break of structure here. Price pull back to this demand
Mm-hmm.
and then started buying. Why did price come back? Liquidity. You can see we have relative equal load here. This this low and this low. Price
Mm-hmm.
has swept it. We have China liquidity. Price has swept it. We have China liquidity. Price has swept it. we now had equal loads here. Here is not equal load.
Hmm.
We have this low here. All right. Hope you are seeing it.
Yes, I've seen
So this low is their relatively equal load. That's why I expected price to come back. So price came, tapped it, and then we should be buying. It's just a matter of time, all right? We should be
it. So
buying.
you're
So
telling me
yeah,
that, sorry, I want to say
hello.
something.
Okay.
So you're telling me that this trade now you waited since May. Abi see
No,
this
no,
June.
no. Listen, not since May. Well, not since May. Is this month now. All right.
See now. And now so it was before he came back here to this point, it was since June, and
Yes,
markets had
now
been ranging since June.
ranging.
Wow.
No, like no, like where we entered our trade, where we met price was there. All right. Yeah,
Mm,
it was there we met price. So because I know the price coming, I have to mark out all my liquidity so that I will know that price is actually going to. Uh-huh. So price has stopped now. Our target is this high here. All right, but for a quick buyer, you can take this high, that high, and all that. So from a 4 hour time frame, this is it here. You can see two of their price went up, lows now. All right. So
yeah.
we can expect more buys on this pair. Your first target should be here. That high is your first target. So all right.
Yes. I
So
understand.
take note of that. Now, yeah, you you can see that we have a break of social support. Let's check the 30-minute time frame. You can see now this is the 30 minutes. This was where let me explain this. This was where we had our change of character to continue that bullish pro trend run. Okay, hello.
Yes, I'm here.
So after the break of structure, you can see that price came back again and took out this low as your liquidity. Okay,
Yes.
because we have a kind of relative equal load there, which price came to sweep. Somebody will see that as a change of character. That's
Yes.
relative.
No,
So
or break of structure.
yes, or break of structure. All right. You don't want to do that. All right. So we can expect more buys on this pair. It's just a matter of time. Okay. It is just a matter of
Okay.
time. So we are going to hold it, and then so let's go to synthetic. Do you? But you told me that you only trade the forex.
No, I said I trade synthetics.
Okay, two.
Yes.
So volatility 50, one S index.
Yes.
Mm. Now
So
looking
is
at
this market bullish or bearish?
now,
Because of that
you
break of structure, you will say bearish.
you look at it very well now. Now you can see the market structure is very very important. Somebody will say that we are we are bullish because the person is seeing this, right?
Mm-hmm.
So the person will expect that buy. Well, the person may be correct, person may not be correct, but what I'm seeing here on the premise of liquidity, we are bearish. Okay, let me show you. This remember we don't do analysis here, but let me just show you. All right,
Mm-hmm.
that is a break of structure. Okay,
Yeah.
after a break of structure, what do you expect? A pullback. A pullback to do what? To go and sweep what? Liquidity.
Mm-hmm.
You also have another micro break of structure here. All right. So we have another break of structure here. Price pullback to take out trend line liquidity traders. All right. There is a trend line liquidity here because
Mm-hmm.
somebody is actually um, selling from here, selling from here, and then selling from here. So price has done that. Price took them out. They have liquidity there, trend line liquidity. And if you look very well again, we have relative equal highs. Okay, all right. We have this. Hope you are seeing it.
Yes.
We have this and this 1 to 3 highs that are relatively equal.
Mm-hmm.
So price has swept it, equal highs. Price swept it. If taking that this is your daily time frame, price tapped into that supply area, all right, and then started selling.
Yes.
Price now yeah, price taking that this is a pullback. So price came after that, after this, after price tapped that zone, price now shifted structure. This is where you have your change of character to continue that bearish pro trend run. All right.
Mm-hmm.
So that is your change of character, not break of structure. This is where you have your break of structure after that change of character here. That is where you have your break of structure. Okay. After a break of structure, what do you expect? A pullback. A pullback to do what? To take out liquidity. We have trend line liquidity here. Because somebody is selling from here, selling from here. Remember that this candle is a bearish candle. This these two candles here.
Which two candles?
There's what they call bearish, bearish and golfing candle.
Okay. Yes.
These two candles here. Somebody will see it now and sell. All right. So expect all their stop losses to be haunted. Okay. And what I using again, we have equal lows, equal highs rather. We have equal highs here. We have let me take this one. So now you can see that
It's
if
frozen.
okay,
It's frozen again.
check it again.
Yeah, I can see it now.
So now, yeah, you can see that we have relative equal highs here. All right.
I can't see your screen. It's frozen.
It seems this evening you have loaded the soup, have you? Because the way you are talking with energy, it means that you have taken something. Hello.
Oh, I can hear you. Oh.
What
Please
about
don't mind me.
the screen?
Yes, I can see your screen now.
Okay. It seems you have taken a soup and this have you? Gary?
No, I'm just having cramps.
Okay.
Yes.
So now you can see that.
Yes, I can see.
So you can see we have relative equal highs here, right? Which
Yes.
price swept tapped into this our supply area now. And then what next after it tap, there is you can see that you can have multiple change of character. You have another change of character there.
Mm-hmm.
Mhm. You have a break of structure there. You have that break of structure there. Now price is now trading between this high and then this low here. Okay,
Okay.
that is your now you can see that price has even pulled back into your your premium. All right. If you take your Fibonacci, you measure from that high. Sorry, take your Fibonacci, you measure from the high, drag it to the low. You can see that price has even traded into there is a fair value gap there.
Yes.
So this pair is ready to sell.
Has it not even started selling itself already?
Okay. All right. So now we have we have our trend line liquidity, which price has swept. All right.
Yes.
Which price has swept. We have you know okay. Let me take this. We have equal highs there, right?
Yes.
Relative equal highs, which price has swept. So you can see that all the liquidity that will attract price to your area, price has taken it out. So you can
Yeah.
expect that bearish pro trend run. All right. So this is the daily time frame. Let's go to the 4 hour time.
Okay.
So this is your 4 hour time. This was where price went to mitigate. All right. Okay.
Okay.
Now, don't make the mistake of jumping to sell from here. All right. Though you are bearish, yes, but don't make the mistake to jump into sell. Reason being that you need to measure from that high to that low. Okay.
Okay.
You want to mark out your 50% level. If you're actually selling from here, if you're actually selling from here now, that means you must keep your stop loss here. All right. And then you must target something maybe that low there. All right. But for me, I will not do that. All right. If you look
Okay.
at this, if you look at it very well, where I have that my equilibrium line, I have equal height there.
Yes.
Okay. You have equal height, which is an area of what? Liquidity.
Liquidity.
So that means what I'm expecting this guy to do is to go and shoot it before I sell. Okay.
Yes.
And you can see we also have a fair value gap there.
Yeah. That's the
Okay.
supply zone safe.
Yes. So you want to wait. Let's check the 1 hour time. All right. From the 1 hour perspective, you can see that equal height there. Very, very clear. All
I
right.
can't see it oh. Oh, this screen. It
Check
did not it's still on 4 hours.
check it again.
Yes, I can see this here.
So now, yeah, you can see very well on the 1 hour time frame, we have our change of character that will tell us that this guy is ready to go here. You can see what
Yes.
price is doing. We have that shift there. So I will go with that low. All right.
Yes.
So that is why we have our change of character. Okay. So we have that change of character there. So after change of character, you expect price to pull back. All right.
Yes.
You expect price to pull back. You don't want to start selling here. It's very stupid to start selling. So since I know that price should come and I have equal eyes that will give me confidence that price is going to be there, I can look for buying opportunity. This my
Okay.
zone. You can decide to mark that last candle there because we have a fair value gap.
Yeah. Yes.
So we have that imbalance there. So now, since I know that price is coming here, the question is where is price? You can see that price pull back. Use this last um, candle there as your supporting area now as your elastic um, surface to push price to this high here. All right.
Yes.
Mhm. So that means you also have this micro change of character here on the 1 hour time frame. You have that change of character there.
Mr. Mark, please, your screen is frozen again. Mr. Mark, do you
Yeah.
usually trade your own money?
Yes, yes.
Okay.
But most often I use profile because that is where money is. All right.
You use what?
I trade it firms,
Oh,
companies.
okay.
Check it again.
Is nothing is showing now.
I'm coming. All right, check it again.
Okay, I can see you now.
What about the chart?
Yes, yes, I can see it now.
All right, so now you can look for buying opportunity. All right.
Yes.
So you can look for buying opportunity into that zone before you sell. So you can go to the lower time frame, buy. Now you can see as price tap this zone here, right? Price pull back again to tap it into that zone. So for you to know what is going on here, you can go to the 15 minutes, all right? If you want to
Okay.
buy, you can see that on the 15 minutes, price came to sweep trend line liquidity. Okay,
Okay.
and then you also have loads, equal loads here. 1, 2, 3. All right, you have that. Okay, you have that equal load there. There. All right, which price
Yes.
swept very very well. All right, price swept. So now for me, your overall bias is bearish. All right, but your intraday bias is bullish. Price is retracing to this area here. All right,
Yes.
so you can buy to sell or you wait. You also have this equal low there. All right, this week and that week, which price swept. All right, that so
Mm-hmm.
now this pair is bearish, though we know, but price is pushing all the way to this side where you have that your former supply area. So
Okay,
on
so
the stock now, I'm hearing you.
oh, okay. So if I want to buy it now, what will I wait for? Price to come to this demand zone again, or
Yeah, 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 yeah. This is the zone that you mark
No, not for selling. No, I mean to buy.
for you to buy. Alright, the price has pulled back to this. No, this thing pulled back to this demand. Came back here
Mm-hmm.
again. So for you to know what is happening here, you will see it clearer on the 15 minutes. Now, yeah, you can see that on the 15 minutes, when price came down here, price has changed character here. Price has changed character there. All right.
Yes.
That is the change of character on the 15-minute time frame. Time frames are fractals. They are the same thing. It's just the duration. So after showing your character now, you can see price pull back from this equal low, which is a trap. Price came back again to take it. So assuming you are here, you would have taken that counter trade. So this is a counter trend trading. So that's so that you can sell. All right. Is that clear?
Yes, it's clear. My own is that if somebody wanted to enter now, how would you enter this trade
Okay,
now?
okay. Now,
Yes.
for you to enter this
Since it's
trade,
already
eh?
moving. Yes.
Okay, pay our attention. For you to enter this trade, all right,
Mm-hmm.
you want to mark out this is your last candlestick. That is what they tell people now. Mark out your last bearish candle, all right,
Yes.
which is this now. So that is where you want to buy from. If I go to the 10 minutes, you can see that I'm navigating through all time frames. All time frames
Yes.
are fractured. Don't mind. You must not stay one place. Stay in a time frame that suits you, all right? Now you can see very well that as price was coming here, it has shifted structure again on the 10-minute time frame. All right. That is a change of character.
Yes.
So after a change of character, what do you expect? You expect a pullback. This pullback is not complete because what I'm seeing here is that what I'm saying is that price wants you to buy from here and then put your stop loss here so that it can pull back and stop you out before buying. So you want to wait for price to come there. So now that means this zone now
Mm-hmm.
is your zone of inducement, a fake zone. This last candle, okay, this bearish candle here is a fake zone. That zone is a zone of inducement to trap you.
Okay.
So don't buy from there. Buy from the low. If price comes here, price will react. Which I told you before. Expect to come back here and then you are buying. Right? You are buying from the low. So you want to wait for it here. Right? In
Yes.
here you wait for it. Put your stop loss there. Target this high or probably that high there. So that is for this trade. All right. If I
Yes,
go to
sir.
the if I go to the 5 minutes, right, you can see it very well. All right, that the 5 minutes is pulling back. This zone is zone of inducement. You don't want to buy from there. Buy from here. Now, from the 5 minute perspective, you can see that we now have a lower zone again.
Yes.
So the lower you go, the more trade setup you see. All right, and the more
Uh,
you you refine your zone. But you mustn't go down now. You mustn't go down to the 5 minute before you take your trade. Okay.
okay.
So if I go back to the 15 minute time frame now, you will see that that zone I mark now has been reduced.
Yes. And price might not even reach that side.
So that's why it's good to leave it the way it is here.
Yes.
So this is 1 to 3. So if you want to take it now, set your buy limit. All right.
Okay.
Set your buy limit at 214. Okay, let me write it down. 214 549. Okay, 459.1536. All right.
Mm-hmm.
That is your entry point. Your stop loss must be below that low. And then your target is 51, 320 point something. So that is that for this class. Okay.
Okay. Yes. Thank you very, very much. I
So
understand. I was able to.
um,
I said thank you very much. I was able to understand a lot of things. I have to unlearn a lot of things.
you have to.
That yes, so that I'll be able to understand the market better.
Yes. So what are the things, what are the things you are doing wrongly?
What do you say?
I said what are the things you are doing wrongly on the chart?
I would say my bias on
Okay.
market structure, like overall bias and
Okay.
market structure. I would say that today, what you showed me and what I know, there are two different things. And how you mark
Okay.
your own swing low and strong lows.
Okay. So make sure that you do the same. If
Yes,
not,
I'm going to
if not,
practice.
if not, you'll be attending lectures without getting paid out.
God, I beg. Oh.
It's all right. There's no problem. Have a nice day. Okay?
Yeah, you too. Thank you very much. Wait, another thing. When is the next class? When our days?
Let me check.
Is it going to be Monday, Tuesday, and Thursday? Because that is better for me.
Let me see. I thought you sent it. It's just that for now, I've not had a lot of students. If not, I will just do the, put you
Put
in
us
1 day.
together.
Yeah. So let me check. Let me, okay, you said Monday, Tuesday, and Thursday, right?
Yes.
So Monday, Tuesday, and Thursday. It's all right. So,
We can always adjust it. Just that this because you put Saturday and Wednesday, and I was like, I can't. I have a wedding this Saturday, safe. I be and on Wednesday next week, so I can't even join.
Okay.
Yeah,
That's
please, Mr. Martin, add me to that group, so that I'll be monitoring trades.
it's, we don't uh, just monitor trading. We take trades.
Uh Me, I don't have the mind yet. I don't. I'll just always monitor trades and see how it goes until I
Why?
have confidence. Until I have confidence to enter market, then I will enter. I don't have confidence yet. I'm still learning.
Okay, all right. It's all right.
Yes. Thank you. Thank you very
So,
much.
so tomorrow you be done. I'll buy data. Get ready.
Shebi, I've already paid for the mentorship. That is not part of the data.
Uh, oh yeah, now send you my stuff now.
Yeah, Mr. Maxim, you have money now. We are still learning. We want to learn how to make this money.
It's all right. Make sure that you don't forget my own, all right?
No problem. When I blow, I can't forget you now. I can't forget you at all.
That stuff. You said it's when say this month you give me the balance.
Hmm?
You said this month that's when you give me the balance of it.
No, next month.
All right, that's no problem.
Thank you.
All right, bye bye.
Thank you very much. All right. Bye bye.